Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, George. So on this video, I got my compressor out here. We're going to be installing a filter between the regulator and the quick connect here. And I got the regulator here, pretty big size Wilkerson. And this was part of a set that I had bought, and the other one's on my plasma cutter. And I've decided to use this one, put it in between there, and see if that helps with any of the trash going into my my plasma cutter or my other tools. But anyways, I'm gonna just do this very simple. My compressor still has air in it, but I got my my valve there closed, and I can't really drain it unless I pull my connector there. But we're gonna be taking this quick connect, which is a 1/4 inch fitting. 1/4 inch MPT. Now we're gonna pop this in here, and that one appears to be a little bit too short, so I got another one here, and that ain't gonna work. And here's some fittings that I had. And if I go this way, well, this T's gonna hit there. And if I go this way, I think it'll clear it. And then here, I can get a quick connect, but just like the regular style, and I can have it here, and I can use regulated air, but it won't be filtered. I can just put a plug here, and go that way, and then just put my filter there, and then this on the side. Hopefully it doesn't stick out too much, but that's the option I have right now, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and try that. So let me get some Teflon out here and start putting things together there. It is all 1/4 inch ID, so I think it'll be okay. And I'm using regular Teflon, no stainless steel or anything else. Forgot if that was gonna go that way. I think so. And then just regular maintenance that I'm giving to my compressor, because I'm tired of having issues with power tools or stuff getting water in them, or weird particles, calcium, other stuff. And I hope I don't bore you guys. It's very simple. Just put it in place and just turn it. And I could have used a coupling here. I didn't have one at the moment. But I also like the idea of putting either another quick connect here, or actually putting another release valve, and I can have one maybe at 100 pounds or 110, you know. And we're about done here. Okay, that's about the height I want on there. Now I'm gonna use a filter here. I'm gonna go how the arrow shows it, and we'll see if it clears it. Take one more turn. Well, about right here. I think we should be good. Now the only thing missing is the connector here. Let me go ahead and take off the Teflon. I'm going to pause it real quick. Alright guys, I put about 4 turns of a Teflon on there, which I think is more than enough. I think we're pretty good. I think this is polycarbonate, plastic or some stuff like that. I don't want to break it. So now I just need to cover this. There we go. So I need a plug for that or a quick release. So let me go see what I can find. Alright guys, well I know I have a lot of quick connects and I can't find any of them. So for right now we're gonna put just a regular hex plug on here. Once again, everything's a 1/4 inch. That should be good because I don't want to cross through anything in there. So we got the filter system ready there. Alright guys, well I just noticed my camera wasn't recording. Anyways, I had 80 pounds of pressure in the tank and I didn't have a way to release it. So I went ahead and pulled the quick release on there. Got the pressure down to about 2-3 pounds or so. And I started unscrewing this, and the low pressure I could see it escaping through here, so it was enough to tell me that I have a clog between here and here, since nothing's coming out of this end. Next thing to do would probably be to use a little pipe wrench or something and put on this side. Use my adjustable spanner here, or my little adjustable wrench. Spin this off. Swap it out for another ball valve, and it looks like this one might have a wider port on there, so maybe that's what happened on this smaller one. They clogged up on me. So let me get this taken off and I'll be right back. Alright guys, well, I finally found the pipe wrench, and I just went ahead and loosened it up. What the heck is that? Let me see if I can find something. Oh, I thought it was a pebble. I was like, how did that get in there? Yeah, the orifice on here is very, very small, so that was the issue. I used the wrong kind of valve. You know. Watch me make a mess here. And there's the pencil. So yeah guys, I went from a 1/4 inch here probably to about a 1/8 on that little ball valve. So that was the issue I was having. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the water hose on here, put some degreaser on there, clean it out, and then try to see where I'm gonna fit this and go from there. Alright guys, we'll have 2 choices. It's either put this down on the floor, let this drain somewhere, or put my little this nipple here, put the ball valve pressured up and just let it squirt everything outside in the dirt. And I think I'm gonna go with that second choice. So I'm gonna pop it in place here. I don't think it's gonna get clogged up again since I'm using a bigger ID on this valve. Let me make sure I'm recording this time. And we're still recording. So I ended up working Thanksgiving. I worked on Friday. Today's Saturday, and I can finally work on little projects I had pending. So pretty happy about that. And this barely makes it. I got about a 1/4 inch gap here between the leg and the handle there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the floor. Let me back up here. Put it on the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure it up, and I'm gonna see how far it can squirt. Alright guys, well I'm gonna go ahead and open the valve there and see how much junk comes out. So I got the trash can there, and I'm gonna open it up. As y'all can see, I had a lot of fluid in there, and I usually like to have, when I'm using the compressor, have it leaking a little bit through the bottom ball valve. Other than that, I think I'm going to leave it open and let everything drain out, and just give it my monthly maintenance and make sure everything's working properly. Like I said, I'm happy I have a new filter here. I have a new draining system. And I'll go to Tractor Supply, see what I can put here to make it look nice. But other than that, I think we're pretty good for today. So thank you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.